You have to be careful because having bags under the eyes may not simply mean that you have a cosmetic issue on your hands. It can sometimes be the sign of a more serious health condition. For example, not many people know that bags under the eyes can mean there's a kidney problem, water retention, or even sleep apnea when you think you're actually sleeping good enough. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal how you can eliminate the bags under your eyes and look like you always wanted to. Healthy, beautiful, and young. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandevar.com. In this channel is a conventional doctor treating patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch new video. If you need a line of quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandevar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. We tend to think that beauty is something we can fix always on the outside, and this might not be true for you. Most of the times, this can mean there's a medical concern, although sometimes it can be linked to more serious conditions like kidney failure, for example. Bags under the eyes are usually a cosmetic concern and can many times be reversed by simply some home remedy you might be using. In this case, natural treatments or home practices or even lifestyle changes can solve the problem, but many times they can't. So in today's video, I'll reveal how you can eliminate the bags under your eyes and look the way you always wanted to. Healthy, beautiful, and young. Number 1, avoid too much salt. Back in the past, if any one of us mentioned that diet had anything to do with health and beauty, we would have probably been demonized quite aggressively, maybe called a quack. Today we know that food is health, and if we do not eat right, no disease can be properly treated, and that's true. Now, believe it or not, eating too much salt can possibly be causing the bags on your eyes and causing the condition you are wanting to eliminate. You see, salt contributes to the retention of water and makes us look more puffy. Salt can cause water retention, and water that tends to accumulate usually accumulates in places like our eyes. And believe it or not, salt consumption can be so damaging that eating too much salt can lead to other health conditions, like, for example, kidney failure, which can accelerate the appearance of bags on your eyes. Just so you know, the American Heart Association recommends that you consume 2,300 milligrams or less of salt per day. Now, to put this under perspective, this is between half or 1 entire tablespoon per day. That's it. Now, if you really want to know how much salt you're consuming, read your labels, because you might not be adding salt, but you're consuming it in the foods that you should not be eating. If you need something natural that can help you improve water excretion and keep your kidneys healthy at the same time, look for Uric Essence from Fineland at drlandevar.com. Number 2, take melatonin and get a good night's sleep. I personally take melatonin every single night when I go to bed, and I've seen the positive effects that it has on my skin and my body. Our bodies should be naturally producing melatonin every single day, and this is sometimes not happening in people who have bags in their eyes. It keeps us young, emotionally stable, gives us a sense of well-being, and helps us repair the damage in our body all over our system. This not even mentioning how it's spectacular for reducing bags under our eyes. Melatonin is one of the most rejuvenating natural substances in existence. It's fabulous if you try it. Believe it or not, melatonin is what gives us that beauty on our skin, and that's why we call it the beauty sleep that we have to have every night. Not sleeping well will quickly increase the chance of looking older, of increased bags under your eyes, and other appearances that you might not want. Apart from this, it also contributes to increased darkened areas under the eyes, which is something not many people want. So you have to be very attentive to take some melatonin if you don't have enough of it every single day. I have an entire video on this subject if you want to check it out right after this episode. And if you need a quality multivitamin and melatonin or 5-HTP formula, look for Melatonin Multivitamin from Fineland at 5-HTP at drlandevar.com. Number 3, use tea bags. Using tea bags is not something we only see in the movies, because you can use it at home and it works. Using caffeinated tea bags, especially under the eyes, can help remove those dark circles and bags on our face. Caffeine in particular contains powerful antioxidants and increase the blood flow in our skin. It's also believed that it helps protect us against UV radiation, potentially slowing down the aging process. And green tea in particular is known by researchers to have that anti-inflammatory effect, and this is basically why it works. Moreover, it's cheap and easy to use. So if you use tea bags every single day, try to use 2 tea bags for 3 to 5 minutes per time. Obviously going and putting it into a refrigerator 20 minutes before you use it. Then you can squeeze all that liquid out and use it as a patch on top of those bag eyes. That's all you need. Simple, cheap, and effective. Number 4, collagen. You need collagen. As we get older, it's normal to see how our muscles and tissues get weaker, especially those tissues on our face. Certain areas may begin to sag more than others, obviously, and the eyelids are a very perfect example. Now, this includes the fat that we have around our eyes. And a very good way to prevent this from happening is done by increasing the collagen consumption you might have every day. Collagen and elastin are the ones that are responsible for keeping your skin in place. I would definitely increase the intake of vitamin C also, which obviously helps reduce more collagen. Not many people know that vitamin C can help produce collagen and hyaluronic acid at the same time, combating that bags under the eyes. Some of the foods you might want to consider also are, for example, including peppers in your diet, oranges, kale, broccoli, strawberries, all very important. Now, if you need a natural supplement that contains collagen and a very good concentration of nicotinamide and other ingredients for this purpose, look for Collagen and Renew Skin from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, use cold compresses. To get relief from those dark circles, you can simply add some compresses to them, which you can find anywhere at home. You can apply, for example, a very cold spoon that you can use. You can use tea bags, and you can use maybe anything that is cold, really, on your eyes. Now, although you can buy and purchase some online, maybe a cold compress of any sort, you can simply use whatever you have at home for this purpose, and it works. Now, before applying it, make sure that you wrap your compress with a soft cloth to make sure that you don't get any frostbite. You only need to apply it for a single or a few minutes, and that's all you're going to have for great results. That's all you need. Number 6, quit smoking and avoid cigarette smoke. Smoking depletes the body's stores of vitamin C, which is a vitamin responsible for creating collagen on your skin. If you smoke, or you're inhaling the smoke of someone else that is doing it, you will see more wrinkles, discoloration, and even bag or circles on your eyes. So quit smoking, or try to ask the person that is next to you to stop smoking. You will add more years to your life, and you will see that even your teeth, obviously your lungs, and other diseases might start to appear. Stay away from cigarette smoke. Remember that it causes cancer, accelerates diabetes, heart disease, and a plethora of other diseases and conditions. And help out the channel by giving a thumbs up and sharing with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or align an appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos really to stop inflammatory that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.